It's 3-pack blister time, baby. Let's get it. Biggity bang, biggity boom is a code. Which one should we do? Archaludon it is. Give it some luck. Give it some luck. Thank you. Bang. Thank you so much to everyone for subscribing. Subscribe if you like giveaways and dogs and Pokemon cards. 300 sub giveaway is being uploaded, and next giveaway will be at 400 subs. Let's get it. We got Basic Energy, Execute, Castform, Mesprit, Scatterbug, Wo-Chien, Meddling Memo, Magneton, Snorlax Reverse, Eternatus Reverse, Palossand EX. Bang, biggity, boom. This is going in the 300 sub giveaway. Subscribe. Love y'all. Have a great weekend.